Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Trees. I'm another video. In today's video, it's a little cold in my house because I just got home and no heat was on, so I just turned the heat on. So my house still gotta warm up and all that shit. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all like girl shit, pads, and etc and how I stock up on my stuff and you know what I do when it comes to my girl shit. So I'm supposed to start my period March 2nd. Today is February 16th. Whatever, it doesn't even matter. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I stock up on everything and stuff like that. So I just feel like this is the easy way to make sure that I have everything that I need. Growing up when I was a kid, my mom used to buy me the bulk always pads when I was a kid, but now those are like, I don't use those anymore because those aren't organic and I'm not really, I like using organic shit. So yeah, growing up I was always stocked on shit and I never really needed, I never not had pads, if that makes sense. So yeah, you can get you a little bin like this from wherever, Dollar Tree, whatever the fuck, right? And you can keep this in your bathroom. So I have pads obviously, but I'm running a little low. I like to be stocked up, especially because it's nothing like going in your bathroom and you don't have enough of what the fuck you need and then you gotta go get it and it's just annoying. So yeah, I have a lot of, I get my shit from Dollar Tree. These are the Be Pure super pads. And yeah, I'm just gonna open these up. And they have all different sizes of Dollar Tree too. I go to different Dollar Trees because these went viral. So like whenever I see pads at the Dollar Tree, I get them, and I'm at the Dollar Tree often because it's only, the shit is only $1. So like, why not? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just stock up and I put them in here. That way, you know, when my period does come, I don't have to worry like, oh, do I have pads? And I just feel like Dollar Tree pads work better. They hold a lot more. And they're cheaper. I don't really feel like I should be paying over $1 for pads. I used to use the Honey Pot ones, but when I seen these, I said, oh, let me try them. I tried them. Never went back to getting any of those pads again. So now this is what they look like. Okay, I'm fully stocked up. I have more than what I need. And I also have some daily liners as well for, you know, when you daily liners, and I think 12 come in here. Daily liners. These are some old ones that I got. The hell, it really don't even matter. Just everything's going in here. And you can just buy like 3 of these to stock up for real. And bam, now you have everything what you need and you don't gotta worry about nothing when your period comes. Okay? Okay. Like, you can put some of these in your little, in your little period bag. Especially if you work or go to school, you know what I'm saying? It's just necessary. They have overnight ones. They have regular. They have, you know, obviously the panty liners. They have everything you need. Bam. So now this is what it looks like. And then I have a stack of these. I have a stack of these feminine whites. I don't dispose of my pads and liners and things unless I have these baggies, because I don't know, like when you're on your period, obviously like the smell of period is not really pleasant, especially if like blood is just sitting in a pad in the trash can wrapped up in tissue. No, no. And these are great for on the go too. So what I do is I take one of these, right? This is a little baggie. This is sticky, so you just peel that off and you put your pad in here, you put your whatever in here. These are good for doggy bags too as well. Even if like you have a diaper, these are good because they're like, you know, long or whatever. I get these from Amazon and I have a lot too. So like one pack is really gonna last you. Like I have a lot here. And my period is only 3 days. So that works. But yeah, I just tuck them in my corner. And yeah, now you have your little period basket. And you can put this like on top of your toilet. You can put it under the you know, the cabinet space, like underneath the sink. If you are in college, or you know, if you don't really want to share your pads with the house or what have you, you can even keep this in your room, and just, you know, take a pad, take a baggie, do what you need to do, and throw it away in the outside trash can. It really does not matter, because like I said, these aren't gonna smell or anything like that. I just like to have a lot because I know me, when I'm on my period, especially that first day, it enrages me when I feel like I don't have enough. I remember one time I had like 4 in here because I forgot about it, and I was like, oh shit, I don't have enough. But that, it was no biggie. I just went to Target, bitch, what? I went to Dollar Tree, re-up, and you know, yeah. And it's good too, because like I said, when you go to different Dollar Trees and different, when you go to different Dollar Trees, somebody's gonna have something, you know what I mean? Whether they have the regular ones, or whether they have the liners, or whether they have the overnight pads, some Dollar Tree is gonna have something. And luckily I live in California, so it's a Dollar Tree around. We have a lot of Dollar Trees, just like we have a lot of Starbucks. So just like it's a Starbucks on every corner, it's a Dollar Tree on every corner. So yeah, just re-up, stock up, ask when their shipment comes in, so you can really be in there, you know what I'm saying? You know, so yeah, y'all, I guess that is it. I just want every girl to make sure that they are stocked up on their period and stuff like that, because I don't know, periods are already something to navigate. You don't want to be just getting bullshit, you know, and periods are already hard to navigate. Like, no, I would very much so rather go to the beauty supply. I would very much so rather go to the Dollar Tree and pay $1.25 than go anywhere else and pay $6 to $10 to $20 for the same shit. I don't know, that's just me. That's literally just me, because like, what the fuck, why am I paying that much? If we're really being honest, like, why is it so expensive? Like, no, I shouldn't have to pay that much. I was looking for my little baggie, because my baggie has pads too, my little cosmetic bag, but I don't see it around. So yeah, y'all, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below, what kind of pads do you use? Would you use Dollar Tree pads, or are you too good to use Dollar Tree pads? You know, that's fine, everybody's different. But I am in college, so when it comes to me and my queen, Dollar Tree is a great option, and Dollar Tree has a lot of good shit. Like, I don't know, Dollar Tree done got real good with their stuff. So you really don't even have to go nowhere else. But yeah, if you want to, you can. So yeah, make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, Kyla Latrice. I am private, so yeah, I don't know. I don't do all that weird ass shit. Like, yeah. So yeah, I don't know. You'll probably have to see me on TikTok, to be honest, because I don't give a fuck about what I post on there. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.